Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. We are testing out a product that is said to give your roots an immediate lift. It is going to lock in volume for days. This is called the Voloom iron. Like the box itself even looks just like a flat iron, and it's not. It's kind of like a crimper type of a situation. So on the back we have like all of these women with their before and afters, and I'm actually tempted. Whoa, she's got some volume, holy smokes. I kind of feel like calling my mom right now because she is the one that sent me a text message, and like every once in a while my family will like hop on and be like, hey, do you think you would maybe want to review this on your channel? It looks really strange. And a lot of the times I'm like, no, mom, Proactive came out years ago. Like, no, love you, mom. But she actually, I think, sent me the video on Facebook through Messenger one night. And then I got sucked in and I was like, oh, I was like, mom found a good one. So this is thanks to mom that I spent $129 on this iron that you don't even straighten your hair with. You actually exclusively use it at the root. So we're gonna see if it will take my very kind of flat roots and give it a lot of lift and volume without using product or teasing, which, you know, when you back comb or tease your hair, it can damage the hair because you're kind of like pulling the hair down to the root. And the idea of this actually makes a lot of sense. I'm gonna plug this in, and while it's heating up, I'll call my mom. She's gonna love that I got this. You get some instructions. Wait, stop, what? Please note, Voloom is not a curling iron or a crimper, so don't try to like crimp your whole hair with this. It says to turn it on. Cool. Start at a low heat setting. So I guess don't go crazy with it at first, like kind of work out what you need for your hair texture. Use it on dry hair only. Don't squeeze the plates together for longer than a second. All right, cool. I think we can do that. Look, James, I just read the instructions. This looks like Legos. What is this? Okay. Okay, so it has like a lock. Have you ever seen an iron like this? I don't know that I want to put that at the roots of my hair. That looks so freaking strange. Cute little on-off button. We're gonna keep it right at 300, and it's actually letting me know that it's heating up. Oh gosh, dang. That heats up fast, dude. It is like, it's almost there. Okay, so we're just gonna set this down for a second. You get some clips to section off your hair with, really important because we're focusing right at the root. Why do you get this? Why do you need a back comb? I mean, I kind of thought the whole point was that we were avoiding this situation. I don't know, okay. You get a mat. It will automatically turn off in 30 minutes. I appreciate that. I actually really love when irons do that because I have walked away from curling irons turned on before, which that will give you a heart attack. What we're gonna do basically is section off the hair like so. Ooh, you can see I need to get my roots dyed. Ignore that. Section off the hair, and then we're gonna go in and like crimp, and do that maybe one more layer down, crimp, and then you flip your hair back over. And because there's like texture at the root that's crimped from these crazy little shaped metal guys here, you're gonna have the hair sitting on more of a puffy pile of hair volume. Kind of like if you back combed, but you didn't back comb. My family's so shy, they hate being on my channel.
Hello?
Oh my God, you answered on the first ring.
What?
You answered on the first ring. I'm gonna FaceTime you.
Oh.
What are you, I wanna show you something. What are you doing?
Okay. I'm just sitting on the computer doing breakdowns.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm calling you right now. Hello.
Hey?
Hi, I'm filming.
You are?
Yeah, you're being recorded right now, just so you know.
Voice or face?
Voice?
Yeah, I have no makeup on.
Okay, it's okay. It's all good. I wanted to show you what I am reviewing right now.
Okay. Oh, you got it!
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, that's awesome!
Yeah, so this was all thanks to you, so I wanted to like call you and let you know what I'm up to, and I will call you after I try it out and let you know how it works.
Yeah, I want to know. That's great.
I know, because you want this, right?
I do. Well, if it works.
All right, well, we're about to find out, but I had to give you a shout out because this is because of Mom. All right.
I love your lipstick.
Oh, thank you so much. Let me share with everyone and with you. It is actually the shade Cherry Blossom from Colored Rain.
Beautiful.
Thank you. All right, I'll call you in a little bit.
All right, love you.
All right, love you, bye. No one is smiling in their before picture. Like everybody looks freaking pissed off, like they've had the worst day of their life. And then their hair is volumized and they're just like, now I'm not using any product with this. So here goes nothing. 1, 2. Oh, hello 80s. Whoa. Okay, that kind of worked, except for you can also kind of see, oh shoot, now you can see the crimps through my hair. I don't like that. I think I need to section a little bit more in between, but that did give me a lift. Look at that, right? That did do something. Okay. I'm kind of into it. I just wish I had gone a little bit like down a little bit on the first side that I did. It's kind of crazy. My hair does feel way more voluminous. Like if I put it even in like a ponytail or something, it just has like a nice like puffiness to it. I kind of like this whole concept. Okay, I'm gonna go even further. Okay, so I feel like if you just give it one little punch and you don't do two, you can go closer to the front of your hair. See how that's like covering it? I think my problem over here was I did 2 of them. It is giving my hair kind of like a boxy look though. I don't know how I feel about that. Final verdict, after playing around with this, like I just fussed with my hair for probably like a solid 10 minutes straight, and I do like it. I don't think this is worth $129. Like if this was 50 bucks, I think I would be like, oh my God, you guys, this is such an excellent tool to have on hand, just in case you want to kind of pump up the volume in your hair. I really don't understand the pricing on this. I think it's really like way too much, just because it's like an added little thing that you're doing to enhance the look of your hair. And as far as like wearing it down, the only thing that I have to say is it does kind of, like my hair is kind of doing this boxy thing that I don't really like. But what I was noticing as I was kind of just playing with my hair is that this is great to give you that like added volume when you're pulling your hair back, which doesn't seem like it's such a big deal, but I think a lot of you guys out there probably know when you pull your hair back and you try for it to look very purposefully messy, you end up teasing your hair and you just want it to look a little bit like there's more volume going on. And I'm loving the way that it looks when I'm pulling it back. If I were to like do a little quick messy updo, a braid, just wear it in a low pony, I think this is something that can take you from having that like slicked back flat hair to having more texture really quickly without teasing it and damaging it, without using heavy product and having it look crunchy or sticky. So I definitely will use this again for that. I don't know that I would use it just on like down hair days, just because it is just kind of making it go like on the sides really funny, and you can kind of see the crimping coming through, which I'm not really the biggest fan of. It's not worth the money in my opinion. I will say if you are on a budget and you want something to give you that volume, try a good volume hair powder. They have them at the drugstore. Got2b has one that's really good. I think it's around $7. Schwarzkopf has one that's really great. Or just take a teasing comb, and what you can do is the same kind of a section thing, and you just pull the hair down like this. Not something that you want to be doing every day of your life, because you can break the hair, damage the hair, but you know, it's cheaper. If you're only doing this kind of a style once in a blue moon, that's just what I would say to go for instead of spending over $100. All right, I hope this was kind of a different, fun video for me to play with a hair product instead of, you know, the typical makeup whatnot. Let me know if you see anything that you're like, ooh, cool, like a cool body product or hair product or anything, any as seen on TV or weird things that you want me to put to the test, even if it's not makeup. I will take your request into consideration the same way I did with my mom begging me to try this bad boy out. All right, I'm gonna have to call her and give her the update, but I hope you guys are having a good one. I'm sending you so much love, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Mwah.